If you're looking for a fun, quick, and easy recipe to get the family involved, these pizza rolls are what you're looking for. And that's what we're doing today. Something fun, quick, and easy that the whole family can get involved in. Because, you know, that's part of the joy of cooking outside is getting the family involved. Letting them have their own little recipe, their own little hand in it, their own little ideas, and I guess you'd say. And this is one of them recipes. These pizza rolls are perfect for just that. And as you can tell by the ingredients, you see what I picked out. Don't take a whole lot of stuff to make these, and you can really customize to be whatever you want it to be. And that's really the key to this is right here. You see what I'm gonna use, but use whatever you like in your pizzas. Really go out there and experiment. Let the kids get involved. Let them say what they wanna have in it. You can really take this to the next level, have the whole family in there, and everybody can have, well, I guess what they want. We've made some really great dishes on the Blackstone in the past, but I really do believe sometimes simple, easy, getting people involved is the best way to do this. So now's a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get this thing heating up because your family is not only waiting on dinner, they're waiting to help you make this dinner. And a great thing about a meal like this, especially when you get the kids involved and all that, very little prep. Don't hardly take anything, just get your items together and get to cooking. Speaking of that, let's go check on that griddle, come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoke. You know what that means. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. Let's throw down some mild Italian sausage to start off with. And this is one of those kind of meals that really comes together really, really fast. So all we're gonna do is brown up this Italian sausage, get it cooking, then we're gonna start building these things. It won't take long at all. And I know I just put this Italian sausage on here, but it's browning up really quick and man, it is really smelling good. It's only been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these burners down to low. Finish up this sausage right here. Because it's just about ready. Start putting these things together, believe it or not. So this sausage is really, really close to being done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it over to one side. Now let's get this pepperoni on. Let's get it over here. Nothing like some toasted pepperonis. Not really sure how many I need or how big of a circle I need to make them into. It's not really a circle, is it, y'all? It's kind of a circle. We'll make it work somehow or another. Let's try to make a couple. Well, yeah, we'll just add that one in there. Now, let's get our sausage over here. Sprinkle that in. Grab your mozzarella cheese. Get that on there. We want a lot of cheese. Grab up that Tuscan herb. Sprinkle that around everywhere. Grab up one of your tortilla shells. Get them pepperonis back in there, y'all. Uh-oh. Get in there. And just kind of let that cook and let that cheese melt to it. I'm going to take my spatulas and just kind of lay them on top. Just add a little extra weight on there. Let that cheese kind of melt and stick to it. Then we're going to flip this whole thing over, brown up on the side. Just about done at that point. Hard to tell, but man, this thing has really come together quick. Won't be just a second. We're going to flip this thing. Well, y'all, it's only been on here just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and try to flip it and see what it looks like. I've done this before kind of with a, look at that. I was going to say I've done it before with kind of like a quesadilla or something. I've never done a pizza, but I'm really liking this. Look how this turned out right here, y'all. Man, I am loving that. I might add some more seasoning. Had to find it. I set it down, didn't realize where I put it. I know none of y'all have ever done that. Just me. Man, this thing's looking good. I brought the stuff out here to do 2 of them, but I think for right now, I'm just going to do 1. Get it together, slice it up, and try it out. But before we take this up, I want you to just look at how beautiful this has turned out. Man, that looks good. So now we're gonna get our cutting board and we're gonna attempt to take this up. There we go. Wasn't as hard as I thought. Let's take it over here and finish it up, y'all. I'm gonna tell you, that looks amazing just like it is. But we're not done with it. Gotta have sauce. I mean, you got pizza, gotta have sauce. I went for this Rayo's tomato basil. I kinda like it. We're just gonna put it down the middle here. There's a reason why. We're only gonna put it down the middle. You'll see. And I don't know about you, I don't like a lot of sauce. So what we're gonna do now is, we're gonna take this and just roll it up. Remember, we're making pizza rolls. There you go. That's a pizza burrito, pizza wrap. Get your knife, and let's just cut it into rolls now. We'll cut this little end off here. There you go. It's that simple, y'all. Right now, let's open this up. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir. That is what you're looking for. Now, you know the drill. I got to go ahead and get some pictures, some reels, thumbnails, all kind of things. Show you this up close, and, well, I just have to try it out. Y'all just check out how delicious these little pizza rolls right here turned out. Man, these things are looking so good and so cheesy, ooey, gooey goodness coming out of them, too. So, what you think about that? Can it really get any easier, any quicker? Great way to involve the family, and look how delicious these turned out. Speaking of which, I gotta try one out. I'll try this one here in the front. Man, I can't tell you how to do this. I'm just gonna try it. Need a napkin. Man, that is amazing. That right there is going to be a family favorite. And like I said, you can customize this any way you want, you know. Speaking of which, let me know in the comments down below what you would put in yours. Mushrooms, jalapenos. How do you like your pizza? That's what I want to know. How do you like your pizza? I'll tell you right now, I love a good meat lover's pizza. But that Italian sausage with that pepperoni in here on that toasted tortilla, this is so good, so good. And not a lot of sauce. That's what I like about mine. It's not like, of course, if you like a lot of sauce, I'm not saying it's wrong. Use it. Me personally, this is it right here. So, I got to cook some more because I know the family's going to want some more. I'm going to get them out here in a little bit. Break out all kind of menu items and just let them cook. So in the meantime, check out these two videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, share it out, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you need to do, and we'll see you next time.